I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Put a metal bowl and beaters in the freezer and chill your evaporated milk or milk plus powdered milk mix until very cold. Once chilled, pour the milk into the cold bowl, add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar to help structure. If you want a stable finish, add the pre-bloomed gelatin at this stage. Begin beating on medium speed to incorporate air. That first minute sets the foam base, so keep the rhythm steady and watch texture. Once you have a foamy base, increase speed in controlled bursts, 30 to 45-second intervals, pausing to scrape the sides so every bit gets aerated. You want soft peaks first. The mixture will lift and hold a gentle tip, then increase speed briefly to build firmer peaks. Make sure to add flavor now, 1 teaspoon vanilla or your sweetener of choice folded in gently. If you use gelatin, mix it in warm but not hot so it disperses evenly and reinforces the structure. You finish by watching for firm, glossy peaks. Stop beating before the foam dries out. Transfer to the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to set. If it seems too thin, chill the bowl and beaters again and whisk briefly, or fold in 1 tablespoon powdered milk to increase body. If the foam becomes grainy or separates, warm the bowl slightly, whisk gently to re-emulsify, then cool and re-whip. That single troubleshooting trick rescues most broken milk-based creams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.